High protein, high fiber, super healthy, super natural, oil-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, nut-free, you name it. This is the healthiest protein bar ever made, and it's so delicious. Made with protein-packed black beans and black sesame seeds, but tastes so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of black beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a food processor. Along with 6 juicy mature dates. A cup of rolled oats. Half a cup of black sesame seeds. And a quarter cup of super Dutch cocoa powder. Next, blend it until the dough forms. Press and roll it flat. And cut it into about 6 bars. Now enjoy super tasty and super healthy protein bars! Thanks for watching!